the pilgrims, when they first came to Massachusetts, called it the paradise of all these parts because of the amazing fisheries that were here of river herring, cod, all sorts of natural bounty. And I think that Massachusetts can kind of do a lot of good for itself by getting rid of some of these old dams to try and boost the system, because you can reduce fishing quotas, so you can tell fishermen you should fish less, or you can increase the kind of bait fish that are going into the system through some of these measures. So for me, in a world where you don't have many kind of win-win scenarios, this is a big win-win scenario Massachusetts has.